and welcome to this channel. What I'm going to tell you today is the model of Stable Diffusion set. It's finally open for everyone to use. You enter this URL in the browser. This is its official website. You can see this page. It's about Stable Diffusion set, some official information, and some examples AI pictures. Then where is his open model? You can use this interface. Click the Files and Versions tab. You'll see his model. But if you want to show these models, you must have an account with Hugging Face. If you don't have it yet, you can register yourself, like this. If you still can't download these models, don't worry, because I'll teach you later. In other places, you can also download it too. This model of Stable Diffusion set. So how to load and use these big models? You can enter this URL in your browser. Is to use this ComfyUI. After the successful operation, its English interface looks like this. The Chinese version of the interface is like this. The way it works is through a number of small modules 加 lines, plus graphics to control a workflow. You can add or delete different small modules, customize different link lines, finally, build different working networks in order to achieve ever-changing output effect. If you have ever learned, what about this traditional Stable Diffusion interface? Its workflow is displayed in front of you in the form of tabs. And this ComfyUI interface use lines to connect different small modules. This way, it is more suitable for some modern software, such as the material network diagram of SandyMax. So, next, teach you how to install this ComfyUI. Everybody pull down. Find this place. Some words are shown here. Then its description is like this. What you see at present, this downloaded version, will be adapted to Windows portable standalone version. It is more suitable to run on this N-card GPU. Then you can click this button. Come to this interface. Then click here to download. You downloaded it. This portable standalone version of Windows has been included. To run the various components required, it won't affect your computer environment. There is no need to create a new virtual environment. You can run it directly. After downloading, you can decompress it. But if you choose RAR decompression, it is possible to make mistakes. Then you can choose the zip tool to decompress. So after decompression, you will see a root directory like this. Cut it down. Move it to your custom working path. You can open its root directory. It contains 2-bat files that can be run. If your computer, there is no independent graphics card or no good graphics card, just use this CPU, used with ComfyUI. Then what if, when you have a good discrete graphics card, you can click this to run it, is to use GPU, used with ComfyUI. Let's take a look at the capacity of its root directory first. It's about 5.31 GB. I'll choose this GPU to start here. Point-bat operation. It may take a little time to start. When you see 127.0.0.1, 8188, it means that it was successfully installed. And this interface will pop up. This is ComfyUI. its interface is similar to the traditional one. Compared with Stable Diffusion, let's have a look. It was originally a section placed in a tab. Now it is divided into small modules and connected by lines. You can have a look at this place on the far left. This is where the big model is loaded. Here, it should be a positive prompt. This place, it should be to enter the reverse prompt word. And here, you can set the image output, width and height. What about this place? Should be the other parameters for designing it, such as picture seed and so on. We are going to download the model of this Stable Diffusion set and put it in this ComfyUI for use. So this contains 4 big models of Stable Diffusion set. As shown in that description herein. The first 4.34 GB model is the basic version, suitable for those without discrete graphics cards. It is run by CPU. It includes memdid and by weights, but does not include any text encoder. The second model is 5.97 GB. It is a model for training. Then it includes, in addition to the T5XXL text encoder, all necessary weights. It requires very little resources. But what if there is no T5XXL text encoder? The performance of the model will be different. What about the other two? That is, 10.9 GB and 15.8 GB. One is T5XXL FP8. One is T5XXL FP16. These two belongs to the different, a big model of formal training. This 10.9 GB includes all necessary weights, includes the FP8 version of the T5XXL text encoder. What is the balance between quality and resource requirements? And this 10.8 GB version of FP16, compared with this FP8 version, it can output higher precision and operate in a wider range. Then everyone knows, the larger the model, the higher the requirements for computer configuration. I'll download this FP8 here first. Then click here to download. Don't worry if you can't open this page. You can also download the big model here. Then you can take a look at this information. So this is also the FP8 model. You can copy this address in the browser. Input. In this place. This is the model of FP8. You can download 10.12 GB by clicking here. You can have a look at this model. It was downloaded from this website. And this one was downloaded from official website. The file size is the same. Where should these model files be put to use? We can have a look. Because these big models, it belongs to the Stable Diffusion model. So I put it under the modes folder, in the checkpoints folder. What about other clip models? It should be here, under the modes folder, in the clip folder. We open the installation path of ComfyUI. Let's take a look at it first. Its current size is 5.31 GB. Then let's open it. Find the models folder inside. Then open the checkpoints folder inside. Then drag this model of FP8 into it. Then close this ComfyUI interface and shut down your CMD backstage. Then open the root directory of ComfyUI. Click this bat file again to restart. So at this time, you can be in this place. Click it. It can choose. Load the FPBA model of this Stable Diffusion set. If you choose not to close this ComfyUI interface, don't close this CMD background. After you put the model in the checkpoints folder, refresh your interface in this place. You can also display your latest model. Next, under the condition that the settings are unchanged, try to generate some pictures. Click this button Q prompt. Click this button Q front again. Then pay attention, everyone. How fast does it generate pictures? Depending on the configuration of your computer, you may have to wait a long time. This result will appear. You can have a look at the operation of CMD in the background. This place can set how many pictures to output. If the setting is E, you only need to click Q prompt once. Then you just wait. If the setting is greater than E, such as R, 3, 6, after you click the Q prompt button, you have to click this Q front button. Then, you can wait for him to finish. We can find some examples on this website. For example, this strawberry picture. Let's click his exclamation point. Copy his positive Q. Copy this negative Q again. Then copy its seed. Paste it here. CFG is 4.1 and steps is 28. What about this place? Select this SGM uniform. Click Q prompt to start. Then check the background CMD running. Hey, you can see the effect. You can click the Save button. Save a workflow. Then let's have a name like this. He will save it as a file like this. If you want to use Chinese or other language interface, you can open this website. Click Code, Download. Then decompress it. Take a look at the files inside. Then open the ComfyUI root directory. Open the ComfyUI folder inside. Open this Custom Nodes folder again. Then drag this folder to this place. Close the main interface of ComfyUI. Close the background CMD. Restart ComfyUI. Click this setting. It can be set to Japanese, Korean and Russian, traditional Chinese and simplified Chinese. Well, I'm trying to choose traditional Chinese here. Then the whole operation interface will be changed to traditional Chinese. So today, about using this ComfyUI to load the big model of Stable Diffusion set. That's all for now. If you like what I explained, you can like to subscribe to this channel. Thank you all.